creating the video, and to edit the video. I will teach you how to do all of these. But in this video, we will focus on getting idea. So let's go on Gemini right now, and I will show you how to get idea. All right, I am on Gemini right now, but if you don't know how to get to Gemini, if you don't know how to get to the software, let me show you how to do that. You come here where you see the first, you will need to type google.com. And as soon as you get to Google website, you come here where you see those four dots right here. It says Google Apps right here, and you click on it. And right here, you will see Gemini. Click on Gemini and it will open this. If it's for the first time you open Gemini, you will need to agree with whatever YouTube or whatever Google asks you to agree with. And it's easy. You can either type ask Gemini question. You can ask any question you want. Just click on this space right here, and then you can start typing. Create me or whatever you want. Or you can talk to Gemini. So today I will choose to talk to Gemini. I know my English is not that good, but I will try my best. So let's talk to Gemini. So what question should I ask Gemini? Well, you ask Gemini what you want. It doesn't matter whatever you need, you come and ask Gemini and Gemini will answer you. Let's say I want idea on how to create my next video. But my channel is about video creation and I want idea to make a video about video creation. So let's go and ask Gemini to give us some idea. As soon as I click on the microphone, I start talking and Gemini will start listening. And as soon as I send a comment, and Gemini will give me the answer. Let's do that right now. My channel is about video creation and I want 10 best title that I can use for my video. Can you help me with that? Send. I made a mistake, but it doesn't matter because Gemini understands. I need 10 video titles. That's what I should say. But remember, you have to always give Gemini your niche. My niche is video creation. You can see right here, video creation. This is my niche. How to create videos, what to do, like from title of the video, from to thumbnail, to descriptions, to editing. All these things, this is what you will learn on this channel. So let's read the idea. So 10 video creation idea and title. So let's look and see which one we can choose. Or if we can choose all of them, we can make 10 great videos. We don't have to come and ask other questions. So let's see. Behind this scene, give your viewers a glimpse into your video creation process. Show them how you brainstorm. That's what we're doing right now. Film, edit, and finalize your video. Let's say I want to use this and then I need a title for this. I can just copy this and then let me do that right now. Copy and then paste it here. And I will type right here. I need 5 titles for this idea for my next YouTube video, and then put a quote around it so Gemini can know this is the idea, it's not a phrase. Let's send it and see what we're gonna get. Okay, behind the scene, okay, that's the comment that we put. And then we did the idea. From script to screen. A day in the life of a YouTuber. Okay, this is one. I don't like this one. I don't understand it either. One thing about Gemini, when you chatting with Gemini, you stop when you find what you're looking for. If you don't find what you're looking for, you keep asking questions. And for sure, Gemini will give you the answer. Let's choose another one. Video editing and trick. I need 5 titles because you have to take time with Gemini. Otherwise, you're not gonna get nothing. 5 titles for this. Okay, for video editing. Okay, let me just paste this. I need 5 titles for video editing tips and tricks for my YouTube video. My YouTube video. Okay, create some interesting, easy to understand, third grade level. Let's send this and see what we're gonna get. Okay, we have editing hacks. Well, anything related to hacks on YouTube might get because it's a hacks. So everybody is looking for hacks. Okay, level of YouTube video like a pro. Well, I like this already. You can give it a little human touch so it doesn't look like AI. Let's see video editing secrets. Okay, this is a secret. Oh yeah, everyone. People always looking for secrets. Tips and tricks for beginners. Let's go. Cut, paste, and create. Easy editing tips for kids. Woo! Make your videos shine. Fun and easy editing tricks. Okay. Editing 101. Beginner guides to make awesome videos. Well, already I like this one and I like the first one. So let's get another idea and equipment guys. Essential gear for video creators from camera, microphone, lighting, and tripod. All right, let me ask. Let me get more title. I already have 10 ideas. Now I'm trying to find titles for my video. After I'm done getting titles for my videos, I can ask for a script. I can ask for a description. I can ask for tag. I can ask for anything I want for my videos. So now let's go to this one equipment. Equipment. Well, I think I see someone YouTube monetization. Just got the different ways to earn income from you. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about monetization yet because I know you don't have enough videos to monetize. You don't have enough subscribers to monetize. YouTube strategies. Don't worry about that because you just started. If you just started. Content idea for beginners. Oh, this is a great one. We can use this one. Content idea for beginners. Let me use this, and I'm gonna ask Gemini to write me a script for this one. Write me a script for my next video. Well, I should get a title first. Okay. The video is related to content idea for beginners. All right, let's send it. Let's send it. All right, let's see. Okay, now we're getting something. Video script content idea for beginners. Well, I should first ask for a title, but let's see what Gemini give me. So first, I will need the intro. For the intro, the intro has 2 parts. It has a hook and a brief intro. So in the first 5 to 12 seconds, you will create a hook. And the hook that Gemini give me, ever stare at the blank screen, wondering what to create next? Story, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a treasure trove of content idea that will spark your creativity and help you stand out. I'm sorry for my language. Brief introduction. I am Stanley. I'm here to help you brainstorm amazing content for your YouTube channel. Whether you are a seasoned creator or just started out, these tips will get you juices flowing. This is interesting. And then now, body. The body, personal experience, prompt, share stories from your own life. This personal anecdote can be related, funny, or inspiring. Okay, remember that time I got lost in the woods, and it is hilarious adventure. I can't wait to share. Well, that's a story, but you will need to create a story about this. Current event, prompt, discuss trending topics and news story. Offer your unique protective insight. Let's talk about the recent advancement in AI and how it's changed our world. Tutorial how to's, okay. Challenge, quiz, Q&A, outro, additional tips. I give Gemini a crappy prompt and Gemini give me a crappy script. Simple as it is. But I can fix this to make it look a real script. I can do that. First, I got the idea. I got the idea. I know I'm gonna need a hook. What is a hook? If you don't know what is a hook, well, go watch some Mr. Beast video. And the first, pay attention to the first 7 seconds in the video because in Mr. Beast video, most of the time it's 7 seconds. Watch the first 7 seconds on this video, and that's the hook. And any big YouTuber, 1% of YouTuber, you watching, pay attention to the first 7 second to 12 second in the video. And the next part that it will be like up to 45 second or up to 30 second. Well, from 12 to 45 second is the intro. After that, they will go to the content. And after the content, you will have the outro. That's the conclusion. I was reading a quote from Aristotle this morning. It says, things that we have to learn before we can do them, we learn them by doing. Now, if you need more idea how to get your niche, click this video.